In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix we can't sign in into your account error. So let's get started. Go to the search bar and type run. Now click on the run, just like so. Now once this interface pops up, you want to go ahead and type in Regedit, just like so, and click on OK. Once you've done that, click on yes. So you should go to this video's description to copy the registry part. Now once you've copied it, you want to come to this side and make sure the address bar is checked. Now select the computer and overwrite it, as you paste it and you enter. So now at this point you have to be careful and you want to make sure you follow it carefully. So look for a folder or a file that is similar to this, and that way you should be able to find the profile image path, just like so. That means you should see users/temp and you want to go ahead and delete it, just like so. Alright, and now you are meant to remove the .bak from this file. So edit it and remove it, just like so, and enter. So once you've done that, you should go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be solved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.